Tripura State Pollution Control Board is the nodal agency of the state government for planning, coordination, prevention, control of pollution and also protection of environment in accordance with the framework of environmental regulations. The board operates under the Science, Technology and Environment Department, was set up by the government of Tripura in the year 1988, headed by a chairman who is assisted by a member secretary. The audit, which was conducted in 2015, had the objectives including reviews of mechanisms, monitoring, fund management and internal control mechanism. The focus areas of audit were to examine areas of adequacy of measures adopted to address environmental pollution and the efficiency with which they have been executed and to assess the effectiveness in funds management. To get a comprehensive picture of the audit, various methods were employed. These are examination of reports and records, analysis of documents, and responses to questionnaires issued at various levels. The board should prepare the inventory of polluting industrial units. Non-availability of data led to deficiencies in formulating annual action plans for preventing and controlling air and water pollution. The laboratory of the board was functioning without accreditation from National Accreditation Board and without required testing facilities. The laboratories at zonal offices could not be made operational due to lack of infrastructural facilities. "728 industrial units were running without consent of Pollution Control Board during 2010 to 2015. Of these, 617 units did not apply for renewal, and in respect of remaining 111 units, applications for renewal were pending for disposal as on June 2015. The municipal bodies did not have sewage treatment plants, and untreated sewage were being discharged into rivers and other water bodies. The board should take steps to plan a comprehensive program for prevention, control or abatement of pollution of rivers and other water bodies of the state. "15 out of 20 urban local bodies did not obtain authorization from the board for setting up waste processing and disposal facility including landfills. Municipal solid waste was being dumped at open places without any treatment, which was hazardous to human beings and ecosystem. Biomedical waste managements of 694 healthcare establishments should be monitored by the board. Only 2 hospitals at Agartala out of total 564 authorized healthcare establishments had installed the sewage treatment plants. Out of these 2, the plant of Agartala Government Medical College and GB Pant Hospital had become dysfunctional last year. Only 4.7 to 14.1% of yearly available funds were utilized on pollution control measures during last 5 years. Efficient functioning of an organization depends upon the availability and proper management of manpower. Out of sanction posts of 35, 8 posts remained vacant during 2010 to 2015. As approached by the board, the state government issued order on July 2013 for complete ban on plastic carry bags in the state.